Van para afuera otra vez.
So today we just got scared and we went all the way to what's your name? My cousin's house, and then we went all the way over there for nothing. The bird just got out, and it was the bluebird, the dark bluebird. I gotta try to zoom in. Let's get closer to them. Let's see. You can see it up there with my bird, Strawberry. And he's the one that got stuck behind the TV. Okay, back up. It's okay. And then so I'm going to use all of them. Yellow Star. Where's the Yellow Star go? Oh, Yellow Star. She's right there. Dusa. The light blue is Dusa. And what's the other one? Pinky. Dark blue is Pinky. And the little one, the green one, is Strawberry. And that's the big cage.
Hey guys. What? This is a while. Okay, guys, drive safely. Watch out, birds got out again, but they're gonna come back in.
Don't worry, I'm gonna leave it like that, okay? That was just my sister. But look, that's the big cage. And
Santa brought it for them.
Yeah, and then I bought almost everything, and Santa brought me the food, but then the birds liked it. So then they finished, and the rest I bought it, the rest I made it, my dad made it. My dad made that right there. That right there.
I'm gonna die like this. Oh, they're already leaving.
Yeah.
Chip, I'm gonna die.
And this is Blanca.
Stop.
And that's mine. And this is our house. Thank you for watching this video.
And subscribe.